Hello, I'm Mr. EAGLESTONE, and on this channel we do DIY projects and honest tool reviews. Today we're checking out this Parkside mini drill set, and honestly, I didn't expect this to be this useful. So what do you get? You've got a compact hand drill, also called a pin vise, plus a full set of micro drill bits in different sizes. Everything comes neatly organized in this small case. Now this is not a powered drill, you use it by hand, which actually gives you insane control. This is perfect for electronics, PCB work, plastics, small wood projects, even model building. The grip feels solid, the chuck tightens well, and the bits stay firmly in place. For precision work, this thing is actually impressive. Pros: super precise, lightweight, no power needed, and crazy cheap for what it does. Cons: of course, like it's slow and definitely not for heavy-duty drilling. So, who is this for? If you're into DIY repairs or small detailed work, this is a must-have tool. I honestly didn't expect it to be this good at this price. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. More tools and real tests coming almost daily.